In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your YouTube channel here to Whop. So here's exactly what you need to do. So first open up Whop in one window and then log into your account, and then open up YouTube in another tab or window and again log into your account. Now once you're here in Whop, you can go ahead and click on Profile, and then it will take you to this window where we can then go ahead and click on Connected Accounts. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to see all of these different platforms you can add. I'm going to go to YouTube, and if you click on that, it's going to ask for your URL. To find this, head over to your YouTube tab, go to your channel icon in the top right, click View Your Channel, then it will show you your URL here. You can go ahead and select this all, then click on Copy. Then once you've copied this, right click and paste, then click Add. It should then recognize your YouTube username, and what we can do now is we can just go ahead and verify that this is our account. So the way we're going to do this is by copying a verification code. So I'm going to copy this. You then need to go to your YouTube profile and then go to your bio or description settings. So once we're logged in, we can go ahead and then paste in this code. Now it says here bio or description, so I'm not sure if it wants the code to go here in the description or the description of videos. I'm going to put it here on the description of the channel, so when they verify it, it will be easy to find. So to do that, we can click Customize Channel, then you'll be taken to this window, scroll down, and then go ahead and add it to the start of your description, click Publish, and then once you've done that and it's actually been published, we can go back to Whop and let them know. So now we've done that, we can go ahead and then click Verify, and there you go, we've verified the account. Now we've done that, we can go ahead and remove this code and get the description back to normal, click Publish, and there you go, your channel's been added, you've removed the description, and everything is all good.